if you thinking about taking on this opportunity, I would highly suggest that you go through the same way that I came through and join TPAS. It's a family of adjusters with years of experience that understand, some of the thoughts that you may have, some of the doubts that you may have. Me personally, if you want to reach out to me, I'll be more than happy to speak with you. One-on-one, we can FaceTime, however you want to do it. But if you're looking for a lifestyle changing opportunity and a life changing opportunity that could feed you and your family for years to come, and you can start a business that you can pass down and create generational wealth, I would suggest that you go through TPAS, hook up with Charlene, hook up with Deborah, and you could be the next success story.